Today we're going to go ahead and finish breaking down this B16a2. I'm just curious about what's in the block, what's wrong with it. I know it has a spun bearing, and I know the previous owner had taken apart because I have a box of some parts. But I'm just curious of what's exactly wrong with it, and maybe the crank's still good, who knows. So let's get this going. First thing I'm going to do is remove the AC compressor, just because it's heavy and it's big and bulky. A couple of these bolts are already loose, but the bottom two are actually tight. Alright, let's get this bracket off. Alright, let's work on this crank pulley. It's missing the Woodruff, how do you say that? That little key that goes in there. Woodruff. Riff? I don't know what I'm saying. It's missing the Alright, next we'll get the plastic cover off. Alright, we got the timing cover off. Now we're going to start removing the water pump and the timing belt tensioner. It's a Honda OEM water pump. It's actually in pretty good shape. There's no shaft play and it's still kind of stiff. The tensioner's in pretty good shape too, and it's OEM. Alright, we're going to remove the alternator brackets. There's these two bolts on the top bracket that goes here, and those are 14 millimeter. On the lower alternator bracket, there's three 14 millimeter, and that goes right there. %of my viewers are not subscribers. Let's make that change. If you find the information in this video useful or helpful in any way, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Okay, now we're going to remove the engine mount. Alright, we're going to remove the crank positioning sensor and the the mount for it. Next on the list is the thermostat housing and this little breather box, the oil filter, and the water pipe, plus all these little sensors. That one and that one. Looks like it's already loose. As you can see here, there are two 10mm bolts. It goes like that, and you got one here and one under here. And also, there's like these rubber O-rings that holds this in. And there's this little, there's supposed to be one on both sides, and that's where that goes. And it's the same thing on the other side, right in here. Having trouble getting that off. Had to put it in the vise. I can't tell, but I mean, if I would have to guess, I would say it's fairly new. It's garbage now. All right, we got that off. Let's get the crank gear off. And we got a key. I'm gonna save that bitch. All right, let's flip her over and see what we got. For the sake of not making this video 30 minutes long, I'm gonna go ahead and end this right here. In the next video, we will tear down the internals of the block. I hope this helped out. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you all in the next video.